Hi guys, welcome back. Just checking on the cucumbers. They're all growing quite nicely. A little bit bigger than we thought. Originally we thought we got some little lunchbox size cucumbers, but they've turned out to be a little bit bigger than we thought. So
More like esky size cucumbers.
Like esky size, normal size cucumbers.
Can you see one?
So they're all growing nicely in here. Might just cut this one. Not full size yet, but I might just have that one for dinner. Cool.
Originally we thought the lunchbox cucumbers, you just pick them when they're small, but they grew so fast that we kind of missed the small stage, and they were all prickly anyway, so we're starting to think maybe these are not lunchbox cucumbers, but big ass cucumbers. I can't even find a little one. Oh, here's a little one. They look more like gherkins, but they go from that to that in like days, so you've got to be quick. Where's the label? We did have a label somewhere here. Oh, it's disappeared. The evidence has disappeared. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so this is what they were meant to be. Lunchbox size cucumbers. And see how they're nice and smooth, and yeah, they're slightly bigger.
Big boys.
And these ones are prickly. They're prickly. See, the small size are prickly. So the kids did not really want to eat them. So we're going to let them keep growing and eat them as full-size cucumbers.
Yep.
What else has been happening?
Doing a little bit of pruning on the tomatoes. They're coming up nicely.
There you go, all the cherry tomatoes. Got heaps and heaps of cherry tomatoes. And we did have one black one here yesterday. I can't remember what it's called.
Black Russian, right?
Black Russian. We ate that. It was lovely and juicy. Got a couple of beef steaks growing. I'll go around the other side. You can see them better now. Look at them all. So many. So they started first. These are the mortgage lifters, I think. And then these are the Romas. There's a sort of a biggish one growing down there. These ones are, what are these ones? Pineapple tomatoes. So I've got a few pineapple tomatoes growing, and these are the big beefsteak ones down here. There's one there, two there, a few more up there. So they're going pretty good as well. Like I said, Steve's done some pruning, so they're growing really well. And he's just fertilised them, so that'll get them growing a bit more as well. So that's all the tomatoes and the basil. And we had some cuttings of tomatoes, so we've put them over there along the fence. So the broccoli crop is finished, and I've planted, what have we got in there? English spinach we've got. So we eat a lot of spinach, and we also juice them, so I've planted a lot of spinach. Planted some more beetroot, ready for the next beetroot crop. We've just about finished our pickled beetroot, so that's ready, waiting for the next stage. Kale, I've just picked a whole bunch of kale. I'm going to make some kale chips tonight, but they're not too bad. Silver peat's still going good. Everything else is just plodding along. I've got to pull out the rest of the rocket and plant something in there. Mulberry's finished for the time being.
These cucumbers are coming up real good. Two different types of variety I think you got here, Cal.
Yeah, we've got apple cucumbers.
Yeah.
A few of them in there.
And then you got the
These are just the normal continental. I think they're called the continental.
they're certainly a lot longer than these stumpy ones.
Yeah, there's a long skinny one there. Oh, there's a little critter in there. Where'd he go? We do not want. Oh, I just ripped the snail out of its shell. There we go.
And they grow nicely up the stakes. Grabbing on. Keeping them off the ground as much as we can. And the corn.
Look at this corn. It's taller. It's almost taller than me. Stand up alongside the corn. Oh, nearly as tall as you.
Yep.
So that started flowering. So I can't see any corn popping out yet, but soon might be one there. So that's the corn.
And your pumpkins are spreading
Oh yeah,
like crazy.
pumpkins are doing well. I don't know if you can see, there is some little ones in there somewhere. The kids broke one off the other day. Let's have a look. Oh, there's one. So these are the little gems. These ones are. So they won't grow very big. Oh, there's the one the kids broke off. There's a few of them in there. And then these ones are the butternut pumpkins. I haven't seen any started yet, but it has flowered or started flowering. And they're just the excess ones over there. A couple of excess tomatoes. I've got more cos lettuce in there. Cucumber, corn. What else have we got? Everything else is just growing along. Picked all the peas that were on there yesterday, so might be some more of them growing soon. Oh, and I just found a little, there he is, capsicum. And looks like another little one starting there. Oh, and the jalapenos and chilies. Just about ready to pick. There they are. And there's another one here. And I'm not sure if these are the green ones or the red ones. Have to wait and see. But they're all progressing nicely too.
And the strawberries are coming up nicely, fruiting full on now. Had a really hot day a couple of days ago that kicked it a bit. But yeah, coming on nicely. Good spot in the sun. Seems to be liking it there.
We chopped a big bit off last night for dinner. That'll grow back. I originally just put them in here because I had no room in the other garden and it filled the whole thing. That's just some spring onions in there. I just love these lettuces. They just keep growing and growing. Yum. And we just fertilised the lawn. So that looks like it's about ready for a mow. Steve won't be happy about that. So this is the rest of the garden. It's not vegetables, but the flowers are out, which always look nice when they're flowering. Cockies are all coming for dinner. Oh, I think I need to top up the fish pond. The water's dropped down a little bit. There they are. I'm waiting for some food. So what else has been happening? We've planted all these geraniums. This garden along here, everything I put in dies because the heat from that wall and the full sun in the afternoon just kills everything. But I was thinking geraniums are pretty much impossible to kill. So, you think?
So far so good.
So I planted geraniums. And yeah, so far so good. Oh, these ones I just dug out of my front garden, so they look a bit woody. but the rest of them are doing pretty well. I just got to pick off all the spent flowers and then I'll get some more growing. But hopefully, 10th time lucky, whatever I plant in this garden this time will survive. So today I also bought some new pots. I got 3 of these self-watering grey pots and two white ones. So I got 2 white ones and 3 grey ones. And this palm here, which is Jack's, I'm gonna repot that into one of these. And then this plant over here needs repotting as well. And I got this pot from Bunnings the other day. This is like a $25 pot. And it had a crack in it. So my glue job didn't work too well. But I just put it around. And once it's full of potting mix and repot the plant, no one will know. But that's a $25 pot and I got it for $5. So that's my next job. Repotting that one, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do the other ones yet. I think I'm going to...
What's this thing?
What? Oh, this is what else I bought today. I forgot about this.
Bed and breakfast.
I've been wanting to build a ladybug house, and then I saw this at Kmart and it was $15, I think.
I could have made that for $5.
Well, I've been asking you, why haven't you made it for $5?
I didn't know it was as easy as that.
Well, now you can make more. So the idea, I think it also comes with, what does it say? Hang your bug hotel near a garden. Prepare the soil, scatter the seeds. Oh, it comes with seeds. What are the seeds? Water well until plants are established. Water what? What?
Well, you grow your own caterpillars. Food for them as well. Bed and breakfast.
Bed and breakfast. Okay. So it's for bees and ladybugs. Turn back around this side. Yeah, I know bees transfer pollen. Oh, okay. I still don't understand what the food is about. Oh, turn it right around. Is there any... So what's in it? Wooden bug hotel, seed sachet including calendula, cornflower, Californian poppy, blah 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 blah.
Must be just food to attract them.
Marigold African, Chinese forget-me-nots, borage, evening primrose. So all these must be they're all flowering, so it attracts the bees and the ladybugs, and then they love to live in there. And of course bees and ladybugs are beneficial to the garden, or the ladybugs eat all the aphids and the bees pollinate all the vegetables. So that's why I wanted one of these, and I got sick of waiting for my handyman to make one, so I bought one. So yeah, I got that from Kmart. Kmart today for $15. So I'm going to get Steve to put a... Yeah. I'm going to get Steve to put a stand on it and put it in the garden. I think that was a pretty good find. Good job. Alright, nothing else has been happening, just the usual. Plants are all doing plant things. Oh, frangipanis are starting to get leaves on them. Agapanthus are looking a bit sad, but they're getting the rain from the stormwater drain, the water from the stormwater drain. And my bottle brush has just finished flowering. It's almost done. Man, there's so many planes. You can tell lockdown's finished. Another one going through there. Huh. The standard mulberry is covered in leaves. We bought this a couple of years ago with the impression that it was going to grow mulberries. Well, that's what the lady at the shop told us, but these ones don't fruit. Well, they have little fizzy, like little things, and they fizzle out. So it's more decoration. So that is our ornamental mulberry, which it does look pretty nice, but it's pretty useless. It doesn't do anything. Bye.